Today, a federal high court in Umuahia, Abia State, delayed Nanmdi Kanu's extraordinary redemption case until May 12, 2022. Kanu filed the complaint on behalf of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader through his lawyer, Aloy Ejimako. It will be recorded that when this matter was heard before the court for the first time on March 25, 2022, the court directed the parties to address whether the court has territorial jurisdiction or not based on the allegations of violation of fundamental rights against the federal government of Nigeria. That at the last hearing, the court postponed the issue until April 27, 2022 to hear the parties' unwritten addresses on territorial jurisdiction. However, during the resumed hearing on Wednesday, it emerged that the respondents, namely the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the President and the Attorney General of the Federation, did not file the address on points of law as was directed by the court on March 25, 2022. For this reason, Barrister Amos Enoch, leading other lawyers from the Office of the Attorney General who appeared for the three respondents, pleaded with the court to grant the respondents an extension of time to file their written addresses. And upon consideration, the court granted their request and adjourned the matter for hearing on the written addresses of the parties to May 12, 2022. In the originating suit filed by Ejimako, he is seeking the enforcement of the fundamental rights of Nanmdi Kanu against unlawful arrest, torture, unlawful detention, unlawful disappearance, this right to a fair hearing, and above all, his right against unlawful expulsion, otherwise known as extraordinary redemption. Among the relief sought by Barrister Ejimako are an order of court prohibiting the prosecution of Mazi Nanmdi Kanu on the strength of the unlawful redemption. This is repatriation to his last place of abode abroad or to his country of nationality, Britain, and 25 million naira damages and an official apology. Okay, the statement reads, the truth is that the federal government, they are the one playing all these games, and is well understood. They know that they have no case against Mazi Nanmdi Kanu. And apart from that, they went against the law. You kidnap somebody from unknown country. You know why I call it unknown country? Because the Kenya government have said that Nanmdi Kanu was not, adopted in their country. You understand? But the federal government said, and Nanmdi Kanu said that is where he was adopted, and he was brought back to Nigeria. All these games, federal government is trying to buy time. They know that Mazi Nanmdi, they have no case against this man, and they doesn't want to release him yet. And that is why they are playing all these games. Tomorrow, they will adjourn the case and all that. What is the need of adjourning the case if you actually know what you are doing? If you know that what you are doing is right, or what you have done is right, why can't you just face it for once? All these ones are just time buying. But one thing about God, when God stands for something, He stands for it. No matter how you try so hard to make sure that you discredit such thing, or you want to go against that thing, if God said yes, is yes. If God said this struggle for Biafran nation must surely come to pass, not even Buhari government will stop it. Not even Igbo leaders will stop it. Because God has already ordained it that is going to be. So all these things is going to face that. With time, they will get tired of all these, this their time buying, and they will have no excuse but just to face the law. They don't want to face the law. They know that they have wronged the IPOB leader. Extraordinary redemption is actually a crime. which the federal government has committed. They did not stop there. The torture and all that. The torture, that these people meted on the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nanmdi Kaun. All these things that is just making them, to buy time because they know that they have committed crime. You understand? They have committed crime. Okay, guys, what's your take concerning this? On Wednesday, a federal high court in Umuahia, Abia State, delayed Nanmdi Kanun's extraordinary redemption case until May 12, 2022. Kaun filed the complaint on behalf of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nanmdi Kaun, through his lawyer, Aloy Jimako. It will be recalled that when the matter was heard before the court for the first time on March 25, 2022, the court directed the parties to address whether the court has territorial jurisdiction or not based on the allegations of violations of fundamental rights against the Nanmdi Kaun. At the last hearing, the court postponed the issue until April 27th, 2022 to hear the parties' or written addresses on territorial jurisdiction. However, during the resumed hearing on Wednesday, it emerged that the respondents, namely the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the President and the Attorney General of the Federation, did not file the address on point of law as was directed by the court on May 25th, 2022. For this reason, Barrister Amos, leading other lawyers from the Office of the Attorney General who appeared for the three respondents, pleaded with the court to grant the respondents an extension of time to file their written address. And upon consideration, the court granted their requests and adjourned the matter for hearing on the written addresses of the parties to May 12, 2022. I'm dropping it here. Do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you very much. Bye for now.